The people have asked and I've answered. We're giving away 4 pairs of custom dunks made by me. All you have to do to enter is click on the description and follow those steps. Don't wait much longer. We're picking the winners on April 14th. Tune into the video to see if you're one of the lucky winners on April 18th. Good luck, everybody.
What's going on, Reshape Nation? I'm Jordan and I'm back with another Shoe Care Academy video. Today we are going to be cleaning up my personal pair of smoke gray Jordan 1s using our deep clean signature bundle and potentially our dry suede kit. Without further ado, let's get into this cleaning. So for before and after purposes, I am only going to be cleaning the right shoe, so I'm going to set this left shoe aside. And the next step of this cleaning is to add our adjustable shoe tree. Now these are a size 8.5, so I'm just going to adjust this to fit. And the next step is to remove these laces. Now that the shoe tree is inserted and the laces are removed, we're ready to start this cleaning. This shoe tree will allow us to put more pressure on the toe box when cleaning, but it'll also help assist in the creasing that's happening in this shoe from daily wear. I'm going to set these laces into our bowl of water to let them soak throughout the cleaning process and add 2 squirts of solution to our bowl, and we will get started. I am all done hitting the upper using our soft bristle brush. I'm going to be using our medium bristle brush on the midsole and then also on this tongue because it's still looking a little dingy. Now, as I did mention, these are my personal pair of shoes. I picked them up about a week after they released back in July at our sister store, Many Worlds, and I've been rocking them just about anywhere, from the gym to the racetrack to even the Arizona State Fair back in October. And to be honest, I was not the best at cleaning up these shoes, so they are pretty trash. So let's hit this midsole and the tongue, and then we'll finish it up hitting our outsole with our stiff bristle brush, and we'll see how the results turn out. All done using our medium brush on the tongue and the midsole of this shoe. Now there is some deeper staining on the midsole from heel drag, and then there's some here as well. So I'm going to use a tip that I learned from Johnny Bubbles himself and use our microfiber towel and some solution to scrub off these deeper stains. I don't want to use the stiff bristle brush because I don't want to risk hitting the suede and causing any damage. So we're going to use this to see if we can get these stains off. All done using the microfiber towel to get some of those deeper stains on the midsole, including this heel drag, and I got it. Now, the next step is to use our stiff bristle brush to take care of this outsole and get rid of all this unwanted grime, and then we'll be able to finish up this cleaning. All done using our stiff bristle brush on the outsole of this sneaker. So to finish up this cleaning, we are going to be taking care of our laces. They've been sitting in our bowl of solution this entire time, so they should be pretty easy to take care of. I'm going to set this shoe right here. And to take care of these, I just rub them between my hands and wring them out. You can use a soft bristle brush if you want to, if your laces are super cooked or if they're white. But for this step, I just do this and run them through our microfiber towel. Now that the laces are taken care of, I'm going to go ahead and let this shoe dry. We are going to set this in the sun. Now we recommend when drying suede, putting it outside to allow for an even dry. And lucky for us, we live in Arizona where it's about 95 degrees today. So I'm gonna put this out to dry and I'll see you guys when I get back. All right, I went ahead and set this shoe outside for about an hour to dry, and the results are looking great. However, I'm not super excited on how this suede feels, so I'm going to be using our brass bristle brush to bring back the nap of the suede material. Now this brush is pretty aggressive, so when using it, you don't want to apply a ton of pressure, and you want to make sure that you only hit the suede material so that you don't damage the leather on your shoes. Just let the brass brush do its thing, and it'll bring your suede back to life. All done using our brass brush on this suede, and it is feeling much better. Now the last step of this cleaning is going to be to lace up these sneakers, so let's get started. Just to recap this cleaning, we used our soft bristle brush on the entire uppers, our medium bristle brush on the midsole and the tongue of this shoe, and we hit the outsole using our stiff bristle brush. We also used our microfiber towel and some solution to get some of those deeper scuffs on the midsole out. Once the shoe was completely dry, we used our brass brush to bring this suede back to life and reset that nap. You can pick up our Deep Clean Signature Bundle at reshuvenator.com and use my link in the description to save 10% off. So now I'm going to show you guys the before and after. And you can pick up our Deep Clean Signature Bundle at reshuvenator.com and use my link in the description to save 10% off. So as I mentioned earlier, this is my personal pair of Jordans that I picked up at our sister store Many Worlds right after they released. But what I didn't mention is that this is my first ever pair of Jordans. So let us know in the comments what Jordan started your entire collection. And if you liked today's video, hit that like button. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon in the next Shoe Care Academy video.